We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Do any of the following: turn sound off or on for a clip. Tap the mute button next to the volume slider. When the clip is muted, tap the mute button again to turn sound on. When you turn off the sound for a video clip, a mute icon also appears in the upper left corner of the clip in the timeline.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.